I'm Sarah Tremaine, and I'm a fiber artist. I use natural dyes, plant material, and natural fabrics and fibers to create handmade garments, accessories, and home decor for people who love nature. My studio is here in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Virginia, and I use a lot of plant material right from my farm. I worked in environmental sciences as a consultant for many years, and when I got pregnant with my daughter, I stopped working and I started crafting more. And over the years, I started drowning in all this product. So while my daughter was in school, I started working part-time, selling my work. And things have evolved over the years. I do lots of different things, but there's always this thread of the importance of the environment in my work. One of the great things about natural fabrics is how soft they are and how beautifully they breathe and drape. When I'm designing, I take that so much into account to make sure things are comfortable and easy to wear anytime. Many of my natural dyes come from local sources, but others come from abroad. One of the local sources I use is a local bowl turner who gives me his wood waste, and I make mulberry dye and osage dye, and recently some white plum dye to use on fabric. In recent years, several production farms have started for growing indigo in the United States, and I use that indigo. So I really want to support American businesses. During these COVID times, I've been able to focus on my commitment to creating zero waste. I use all of my fabric leftovers and scraps, making items for my gift collection, such as lavender sachets, dryer balls, and reusable gift bags. My most recent addition is the garden tableware collection. These beautiful and useful items bring nature into our daily lives as napkins, dish towels, and oven mitts. It's a great joy to make things with my hands that people love, and I hope you like them as much as I enjoy making them.